What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some high intensity interval training together. So go ahead and grab your yoga mat. We're not going to need any weights for this, just body weight. But before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button. Also don't forget to click that subscribe button for more workout videos, and let's get started. First, we're going to be doing jump squats, 3 sets of 15. What you want to do is just get in the squat position, jump, and come back down, okay? It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. We're gonna move pretty quickly through this exercise. You wanna take 5-second breaks between each set. Let's get started. Yourself a 5-second rest. Give yourself a 5-second rest. Good job guys, give yourself a 10-second break. Moving down on your mat, we're gonna get into some plank jacks. What you wanna do is come into the plank position, and we're gonna do a jumping jack motion with our feet. So just like this. Try to keep your core straight. Keep your core flexed, keep your body straight. Just move your legs. 3 sets of 20, let's get it. Good job. Give yourself a 5-second break. Good job. 5-second rest. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second break. All right, onto your feet. We're going to be doing some alternating curtsies, 3 sets of 30. So go ahead, curtsy back, come back, curtsy back. You basically just want to sidestep, reverse lunge is kind of what it is. So you'll see my legs coming out over here, coming out over here, okay? 3 sets of 30. It's basically a lunge reverse with a side kind of pivot, all right? 3 sets of 30, let's get it. Good job, give yourself a 5-second rest. Good job, you guys. 5-second rest. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second break. Coming down onto your mat, we're gonna do some shoulder and knee taps. So what you wanna do is, for all fours, come up, hover. We're going to tap, 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 and tap, okay? That is 1 rep, okay? We're gonna do this 3 sets of 10. Let's get it. Whew, 5-second rest. All right, last 10, you guys, let's get it. Good job, everyone. Those are 4 high-intensity interval training exercises that you can do to get your blood pumping and mix a little bit of cardio with a little bit of body weight. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to smash that like button and click that subscribe button for more workouts. See you guys in my next video. Bye.